how transcription works in Quickture. So you've got your footage loaded into your project. Awesome. Now let's talk about the magic that happens next. Here's how it works. Once your sequence is loaded, Quickture processes the audio and generates a full transcript. You'll see each line of dialogue appear with the speaker name on the left and a timecode so you know exactly where you are in the edit. You could switch between the timecode in the sequence or the source timecode. This transcript will also be exported, so you could have a paper version. In the settings, you can choose how you want this format to be exported. Alright, so your transcript is done, but you spotted a typo, or maybe a line got assigned to the wrong person. No stress, Quickture makes it really easy to fix. To fix a line, find the line you want to edit, and double-click on the text. You'll drop right into edit mode. Make your change, hit enter to save, or if you change your mind, press escape to cancel. That's it. Now, what if the line is correct, but it's attributed to the wrong person? Easy. Double-click on the speaker name next to the line, and a drop-down will appear with all the speakers Quickture identified. Just pick the right one. But what if you need to do more than just reassign? Maybe you need to add a whole new speaker. That's where Manage Speakers comes in. Click the little people icon next to the speaker drop-down. In here, you've got 4 key options. First, you can rename a speaker. Just click on the edit icon next to their name and type in the correct one. Second, you can delete a speaker. Hit the trash icon, simple as that. Third, you can add a new speaker. If Quickture missed someone in your footage, type their name into the new speaker name field and click Add Speaker. And fourth, this one's really handy. You can merge speakers. Sometimes Quickture splits one person's voice across from 2 different speaker labels. To fix this, first check the box next to the speaker you want to merge. That's the one you're keeping. Then select the speaker or speakers you want to merge from. Once you merge, all the lines get reassigned to that first speaker. And that's it! Your transcript is cleaned up, your speakers are sorted, and you're ready to move on to the fun part: editing your story. If you want to go even further, check out our Help Center articles on custom vocabulary and auto-accept speakers to really streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!